Most people do not need more AI tools. They need structure around the work they are already trying to build. When Mark and I started working together, he was not really interested in using AI. It felt like one more thing being pushed into the business world without a clear purpose. During our 8-week strategic governance sessions, we did not start with the tool. We started with the vision, the structure, the content direction, and the system that will help him keep moving forward. By day 2, things started to click. And by the end of the 8 weeks, Mark felt prepared, confident, and ready to continue building his YouTube journey with clarity. Here is what he had to say about the experience.
Hello, how you doing? My name is Mark Fisher. Uh, that's my government name. I also go by Coach Fisher. We make an account. And I also go by Mark the Hat, which is a recording artist. And I'm here just to do a quick testimony about this beautiful lady who has enlightened my heart and guided me on the right way. I had nothing to do. I wanted nothing to do, I should say, with AI. I didn't believe in it, but I'm a believer now because I took this 8 weeks course and she showed me things I had no idea. Before Tiffany, I just did the regular, the Facebook, Instagram, whatever. But she told me how YouTube is a magnet, and it is. It's a big magnet towards the people you're trying to reach. So I didn't know anything about AI, like I said. She guided me through it. She also showed me the different ways to make videos, also songs as well. So I got a lot of information from her. And the 8 weeks went by so fast, I didn't want it to end. So if you are out there and you have a business, either your own personal business, even a hobby, Tiffany is the greatest course to take. I recommend it highly, definitely. She wrote some stuff down for me to hear. She said, when was the moment that it like clicked? Meeting 2. Meeting 2 was the click. When she gave me the notes and the homework to do, I felt like, okay, yeah, this is what I need to do. So, like I said, 1111 coach, I go with it. Tiffany, I definitely recommend it. You're probably getting phone calls right now or right after this video when you see it. But thank you very much. What else did you want me to say about with you right here? Oh, of course. She said, please recommend something. Yeah, you know what I'm going to recommend? I'm going to recommend you sign up to Tiffany's 8-week course. Now, she may have another course for those who are a little slower than others that may take a little longer, but in 8 weeks, you will be on your way. Trust me. Thank you.